Hello, good time to all friends. Today we want to create this social media post together. So let's go. Don't forget to subscribe and like the comment.